Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Elaine. So in today's video we're going to be installing a short frontal bob kind of wig. So if you want to see how I do my installation, then keep on watching. Like position it to fit my hairline properly, to see where I want to put the glue. So I'm going to be using this pencil to kind of put like a dot so that I won't exceed that place in terms of applying the lace glue. So if you're a beginner like me, then this method is just gonna be perfect for you. You try to kind of put a dot to where you wouldn't want the glue to exceed. So that I'm gonna be using the ghost bond for this installation. So I'm gonna quickly move this backwards.
We are a chosen generation, called for to show His excellence. All I require for life, God has given me, and I know who I am.
So now I'm going to wait for the first coat to dry clear. Already this one has started drying clear. The one in my front has started drying clear. So I'll just wait for this ones to dry clear before I go in with the second coat before we lay it down. So now I'm going to go in with the second coat. So I'm going to start from all these places that have dried clear, then wait for this one to dry clear. So now the large number of the glue has dried clear, I'm just going to lay down the hair now. But I'm just going to start from the side.
Somebody say Baba, Baba. Somebody say Baba, Baba. Somebody say Igwe, Igwe. Somebody say Igwe, Igwe. Somebody say Baba, 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 Baba. Kabiesio, Hosanna, oh. Yeah.
So after I'm done with this side, I'll go to the middle.
Jerusalem is my home, it's my home, it's my home, it's my home. Listen, Jerusalem, ikayala me. Jerusalem, 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 Jerusalem. We are going higher and higher and higher and higher and higher.
So now that I've laid it down, I'm just gonna go in quickly to tie it down. So it's been 15 minutes. I'm just gonna take this off now, and then anywhere we have, oh, okay, now I've taken it off. So anywhere we have lifting, I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the lace glue to glue that place down. Then anywhere we have white spots, I'm just going to correct that with my foundation or my powder. So
Jerusalem is my home, it's my home, it's my home, it's my home. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Listen. Jerusalem, ikayala mi, ilonoloze, uhambena mi, zongangishilana. Jerusalem, ikayala mi, ilonoloze, uhambena mi,
so now I'm just gonna take out my clips. So using my wax stick, I'm just gonna use this wax stick to tame all the fly away.
Chosen generation, called for to show His excellence. All I require for life, God has given me, and I know who I am. I am the head and not the tail. I'm above and not beneath, 'cause I know who God says I am, and that is what I believe. I am hope, I am peace, I am joy, I am strength, I am your comfort and relief.
So for my baby hairs, I'm going to be using the Got to Be gel for my baby hairs. Ooh. I'm just going to use a bobby pin to hold that in place. So I'm not a fan of baby hairs, but you can do it the way you want it. If you want baby hairs, you can make sure you have baby hairs, but most of the times I don't like baby hairs. So that's why I'm just trying to bring out a little of the hair.
Somebody say Baba, Baba. Somebody say Baba, Baba. Somebody say Igwe, Igwe. Somebody say Igwe, Igwe. Somebody say Baba, 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 Baba. Happy SEO, Hosanna, oh. Jerusalem is my home, it's my home, it's my home, it's my home. Listen, Jerusalem, ikayala me.
So this is a final look of the installation. If you like, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.